Hello and welcome to this demo of the new Banner 9 registration system. To begin registering, go to the Student tab in eServices, select Registration, and click on Banner 9 Registration. Click on Register for Classes. Under Terms Open for Registration, select the terms for which you wish to register, then click Continue. On the next screen, click in the subject box and begin typing the subject for which you wish to search. When you see the subject you'd like, click on it and add it to the subject box. You can also add other subjects you wish to search, a course number, keywords, or other advanced search options. However, this demo will keep it simple and just search for accounting. On the next screen, you will see all the classes that meet your search criteria. Click on a class to see more information about it. If the class looks like one that meets your needs, click on the Add button to the right. You will see your sample class schedule appear at the bottom left of the screen. This shows you where the class will fall in your schedule. Note that you are not yet registered for the class. This is a tentative schedule. At this point, you may continue to add classes until you have a full or partial schedule. On the bottom right is the Summary tab, where you actually register for the class or classes that you have selected. Click on the Submit button to register. If there are no errors, you will be added. Only when you see the green registered status are you registered. If you need to drop a class from the Action drop-down, select Web Drop, then click Submit. You'll see the status will change to Deleted. You can also click on Search Again to search for another class to add. Let's take a look at what happens if you try to register for a class in which you are not eligible to register. When you click on Submit, you will see up in the Notification Center the reason for which you are not eligible to register. Simply click Submit Again to remove it from your summary. You may also add classes by CRN using the Enter CRNs tab on the top left. You may view your completed schedule by clicking on Schedule and Options. Please note that the College Scheduler tool is still available for use with Banner 9 and can be accessed from the main eServices registration menu. Once you have created a plan and sent it to your cart, it can be found on the Plans tab within Banner 9 registration. Click Add next to each class you'd like to add to your summary. Click Submit to add the classes. This concludes our training on Banner 9 registration. If you have any questions, please email rar@vcu.edu.